The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everybody, this is Jack and hopefully you hear me well and see the screen. Actually, I show now Rapify, so you should see the accident lawyer. Let me know how you're doing, where you're coming from, your name if you're new, because I kind of like to get used to your name, and I'm always pleased with how many nationalities we always have on the training. We did a training last Sunday about SEO, and at the end I will get back to that a little bit. So ask me at the end about the replay. So hope I don't forget it. And we have on the call Tom. It's from Sarasota, Florida, so that's kind of close. I have a client over there. Zol from Australia. Welcome, Zol. Chuck from Las Vegas, and Ada from Tampa, so that's even closer. Yes, you. I hope I pronounce that, from DC. All from Tampa, so we have two from Tampa today. Lloyd from Michigan. Joseph from Ocala, Florida. I don't know where that is. Ocala. Have to look that up. And Eugene from Birmingham, Alabama. Tom from Indianapolis. So we have a nice group tonight. James from Cleveland. So we're getting ready in a couple of minutes. And Arlene is on the call as well. She did actually a lot of work today. And before I forget, I will also do it in the training. But if you ever need to know how things work, go to the start page. And today we update the latest version of Getting Started and the Rapify manual. It's really, really nice details. So actually I can go over now if you want. So from Getting Started, when you click on the download link, you see the PDF, and that is how it is nice for the eye, nice laid out, step for step, easy to follow how everything works to get started. Huh? So every item is updated to the latest interface and what you need to do. So how many pages is to getting started? Let's see. I don't know how to check that. Now I say something in this PDF, I cannot check, but a couple of 15 pages or so. So 15 pages and you are all good to go with Rapify. Now, of course, everything what Rapify include does not fit in 15 pages, correct? There's so many functionality and details if you really want to take to the next level. You don't need to know that to get started, but if you really want to take to the next level, like to understand everything, how things work, then we have the Rapify manual, correct? So you go to the start page, on the start page, Rapify manual, and you click on the download. And this is also updated today. So Rapify manual, this has a little bit more page. So this includes every detail, how things work. It's more work. It's more information, okay? But you are able to find it back, okay? So it's more. Yeah, it's a lot. Now, each Tuesday you get a training from me, and each Tuesday you can also see it live how things work. Make sense? And you can ask questions. So it has a benefit to come on the live call and ask your questions. Makes sense? So last Sunday, we actually went over the SEO, correct? And all the replays get listed on jackhopman.com. So if you don't have that bookmarked, you probably want to do it now, so you don't have to guess where to find everything. And you click on webinar replay, and then we have that SEO replay from last Sunday. Now, I can understand you missed it. And because today we do another training, it will get replaced with the latest training. Now, what you need to do then, you click on the, there are two ways. You click on the play button, and then you click on the YouTube icon. Okay, click on the YouTube panel, and then because you are not subscribed probably yet, you see a subscribe button. Now, every time when I post a video, you will get a ping from Google and say, hey, there's a new video. And then you can watch it at your like. Make sense? So you can also subscribe to the channel on another way. You go to jackhopman.com, and then scroll to the bottom, and then there is that YouTube icon. And then you click on it, and then you see all my channels, and then you training, and then you subscribe to the channel you like. So that is how you find things back. And of course, I always appreciate if you like a video that you click on the like button, and it also helps you to get notifications from my latest training. So if you missed the training from last Sunday, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, I like the video, and then the next time when I post the video, you will get a notification as well. Now, for some training, if it is related to Rapify, I put them also in getting started. I don't do all the training, but some training are just general, and they cover also, and is also described in the PDFs. But if a training goes well and there's a lot of new content, I post them here too. But I do not every training here, okay? Because they are 1 hour long, and I don't want that you watch 10-hour training. You just take the PDF, and you should be good to go. But if you want to see visually, you can watch the training as well. Make sense? Now, today I want to discuss a little bit about how to edit websites. And for that, I want to give it another try to explain things. So a website consists of pages, correct? Page 1. So let's say page 1, page 2, page 1, page is correct. Now, then each website within Rapify consists of blocks. So block 1, block 2, etc. Now, each block consists of sections. So section 1, section 2, section 3, and etc. Now, each section consists of modules. Module 1, module 2, and module 3. Okay, so I will show you live which color they have and how to find them. But is the structure clear how those pages let's say how those website consists of pages. Each page is built on blocks. Each blocks has a number of sections. Each section has a number of modules. Everybody understand that? That structure. Now, I'm going to show you how this works in the builder. Now, you kind of go to the niches, and depending on your account level, you have more or less access to a number of websites. So let's take today the dentist, okay? You can view them first, okay? You click on view and see if you like it and say, yes, I like it. And then you click on use, okay? Okay. Now the website get loaded inside the builder. And here you can customize it to your like before you publish it. Make sense? Now, on the left hand side you see those pages. Home, about us, braces, contact us. This is a page. Pretty clear, correct? Now, we are now on the home page, and on the right hand side you see those blocks. Those circles, those are blocks. Okay, those are blocks. Okay, and then each block can consist of a number of sections. That is the orange. Can have one section, can have 3 sections, can have a limited amount of sections. And then each section can have modules. Let's say there's a module. The blue one, a blue one is a module. Okay, blue is a module. Everybody understand the definition? There is a page, that's simple, correct? There is a block, okay? The orange are sections, and within the sections you have modules. And each of those elements you can do amazing things, okay? Much more than you probably have talked about it. But we will go over it. So let's go over a page, okay? So you see here a page you can save as a global. What does that mean? So let's say you have a website, and in that website you really like a page which you want to use on another website. So you can save that page, go to the other website and import that page. Okay? Now you can edit the name. So let's say you don't want to rename, you don't want to have it called About Us, you want it About Me. So you can rename that page. You can clone that page. So let's say you like the page, you're building a you have a website from 3 pages, and you like to add a 4th page. The easiest way to do that is to clone a page and make some changes. So you don't need to start from scratch. So cloning a page is very easy and convenient to build your website. You just start with a page which you like, or maybe you like for 60%. You just start with it, you delete what you don't need, and you add what you like. Make sense? And of course, you can delete it. Huh? So you can save it and use it somewhere else in another website. You can rename actually the name, the link. You can clone that page to use it, start for another page in the website, or you can delete it. Make sense? So, very powerful, easy to do. Now, then, on the right hand side, you see those circles. Those are blocks. And those blocks, actually, they have also elements. Okay, so they expand when you hover over. And then, if you, this cross mark, you can move it. You see this? You can move it. Okay, you can move it to another place. You can, if you are technical, then you can look up the source code. Okay, so I'm not recommending that but you can. Now, what means fixed? That you see here. You see the circle is here green with an line through it, a cross line, and this one has not a cross line through it. So what means fixed? Fixed mean if you add a new page. So if you change this block, what was inside this block, every section what is same as on this page will get updated too. So for the headline, the header makes sense, because if you change the headline for a certain page and use the same headline on another page, that headline get also updated. You don't need to update every page for fixed sections. Fixed sections get updated on every page. Make sense? And if you add a new page, fixed sections will also show up. Makes sense, correct? Yeah, it's kind of those logical things. You might not think about it, but it's very handy. So fixed sections, if you change the fixed section on a certain page, that update will also show up on other pages. If you create a new page, those fixed sections will also show up on the new page. So that's the difference between a normal block and a fixed block. Now, you see the edit. So let's say you can clone a section. Clone. So that means if you really like block, you can clone the block. So if you really like this block, you can clone that block. Now, if you really like that block, you can save that block and use it on another position in a website, or even you can save it. When you click on save, you see a local. That means you can use it inside this website, locally inside this website. And if you want to use it for other websites, you select globally. And then if you work on a plumber website and next day you work on a roofer website, that same block you can import it because it is saved globally. Make sense? I know there's a lot of content, but here all kind of settings. Okay, there's a kind of in detail, and then of course you can delete it. Now, is everybody clear on? Now I would say not 100% clear, but at 80% clear. What in principle you can do. You have to kind of use it to understand everything, but you can drag a block, you can look up the code, you can make a section fixed. So if you make changes and that section is another page, it will get updated. You can clone a block, you can save this block, you can look up the settings. Okay, now when you hover over your website, you see orange, and you see blue. Okay, now the thing what I didn't really like was hard to get the orange and the blue show up. Now, when an orange or a blue shows up, that raster, okay, that framework, you click one time on the left mouse, and now it is frozen. You see, now it is frozen, and I can easily change it. You can clone it, I can delete it, and I can look up the settings. Okay, but if I didn't click on it, it's kind of nervous. I don't like that. Okay, but if you show up and you click on with the left mouse, you can easily it stays frozen, and then you can make those settings easily. Okay, you go to settings. Okay, I'm not going to all those settings because those are enormous what you can do, and you kind of need some knowledge about it. But there's always imbalance on those whiz kids. They know how to code, and the ones who I just want to use a template and publish it. Okay, in principle it can so much, but you have to do almost nothing. But if you want to do so much, you can do it. Now you have those. Blue is a module, and again, if you click on with the left mouse, it stays frozen, and I can go to the edit mode, and then all kind of settings. Makes sense? Now you can clone. So clone is kind of comes. You can clone a block, you can clone a section, and you can clone a module. Now the plus sign indicates I can add an element. Okay, so if I do that, add an element. Wow, you see, I can do an headline. Ha! And then the headline shows up. I make some changes. Okay, webinar demo. Okay, and update or close. You see, now I have added a headline. Okay, and if I want to make change to it, I just click on edit. Okay, I hover over, and let's say I wanted to red text. Okay, I update, I close it. Now it's red. Sorry, red. Let's say I kind of like the font is, I like another font. Okay, I select everything, and then I go to size, and I want just 14. It's very small. You see, you cannot read it. It's also not good. So 14 is not suitable. So let's say 24. Update or close. You see? Now, this is kind of the knowledge you need to know. I don't want to become a whiz kid from day one. Okay? If you're a programmer, if you have some HTML language knowledge, this is fine. This is all what you kind of like. I know, but you don't need it. No. Every time when you make a change, you can save it. Save it. Okay. Okay. I need to give first time name is dentist. Okay. Now I feel I demoed already a lot, so I kind of want to answer some questions before I go to the next topic. Any questions? Who of you guys have published a website or created a website, actually logged in, did some customization? So have you started already? So now the next thing. So what I really like. This is the thing what I really like. I like site setting, and the kind of site setting is kind of what I like and use the most. So I use replace comp details. So that is the current data. This is the current data, and I can just enter the new data. And this is the current data. I enter new data, and over the whole website, the new data get updated. So that's okay. You want to add an existing address, because if you add a not existing address, there is no map for it, so it cannot show the map. Makes sense? So you want to update to a real address. Okay, let me do that. 21747. Yeah. Let me update the phone number. Okay, so let's do 555. and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and if I do replace, now it takes a while, but it updates all the pages in one click. Okay, so now it's turning the wheel in the top, and you see on all the pages the website get so, and then you see the 555, 555, 555, but not only on the home page. Let me go to the contact page, and it should also be updated. So that's the magic, not only one page, but all the pages. So you have a website. Now, there's one thing you kind of want to understand also. So where's the website? Here, 5555. So that makes sense. Now, what I wanted to say. So let's say you take you prospect, or you have a dentist client, and on the dentist website, uh, uh, how do you say that? Different, certain services get shown. Okay, so when a dentist service, when you got a client like a dentist, before you show the website, you kind of want to say, are you doing braces? Are you doing dental implants? Are you doing dental crowns? Okay, which service do you provide? It makes no sense to create a website for the service he doesn't provide. So you kind of want to ask those questions, and then when he answers those questions which service he provides, you can kind of create that website with only the service the dentist provide. Now, that comes to the next magical, and this is almost the interface I like the most. At least it is. I really like this feature. I will show you now. So you're probably wondering, how can I customize the top menu, correct? Yeah, did you guys figure it out? How you can customize the top menu? Okay, you go to, it is part of this block, correct? And then you click on that pencil, and it shows edit menu. Okay, it shows edit menu. Guys, see this? Is it big enough? So it's part of this block. You expand that block and you click on edit menu. Okay, and now starts something magical. You guys see this new interface? So if you are familiar with WordPress, and this is the part I like for WordPress also, is here you can just create those menu links like you do in WordPress. Okay, so let's say you want to move a vision to the top. Okay, and it doesn't provide bridges. Okay, and now you click on save and go back to the site. Okay, and now those changes are implemented. You have to see it in Publicify to publish it, but those changes are implemented. So again, it is part of the block. You go to the block, you go edit menu. Okay, it asks if you want to go to, oh, you have to save it. The page is still on the left, but it's not getting used. So if it's, you don't delete the page, you update the menu. You can delete the page if you want, but you don't need it. Doesn't hurt to have it to your avail. But if you don't say, I don't need bridges, okay, you just delete it. Okay, but this is to update the menu. Okay, so let me do one more obvious change. Okay, Let's say I don't want braces in the top menu. Guys, see this? I don't want braces in the top menu. So I click on this, okay, and braces is gone. Guys, see this? Now I save it and go back to my website builder. Okay. Now it's updating all the website. And guys, see this? Braces is gone. Yeah, isn't that not amazing? So easy. So this part actually kind of I liked. Yeah, you can just add new page. So you can create a new page and then you go to the menu. Oh, I need to save this first. Okay, add it. I say I want braces back. Okay, you select braces, add to the menu. Okay, then go back, and I say here. I want the top menu here. To the left, top menu. Save. So I put braces after dental crowns. Okay? You don't need to have any technical skills. It's just drag and drop and, no coding. Okay? You see your braces is back. So, this part now is one of my favorite. So there are a couple of favorite things from the website builder. Those are those site settings to replace the information. That is the top menu editing, what I really like. And I like, you might not value this at the moment, but at some point you will. Okay, let me save this. It adds that schema. It adds a schema automatically. And you might not know exactly why and which and how and so, but for SEO, this is very important. Okay, it does it kind of automatically and you can customize it to your like. But schema is, okay, hey Google, the website is about this. And Google say, hey, thank you. You get some bonus point. Okay. Now, then you have the slider settings, okay, where you can customize slide a little bit advantages. And then style wizard. So if you not like a purple, so I'm not a purple person, okay, I don't like so much purple, but I like green, so I click on green and click on apply, and with one click my whole website get updated. Okay, and we will add more color schemes, don't worry. Okay, so my whole website get a new look and feel. Make sense? So those are my favorites. So yes, you can change text color and everything, but I don't want to go in too much detail in day one. Kind of day two, but first things first. Glad there will be more colors I like blue. Yes, yes, blue will come. It's kind of asked 3 times. Probably this week. Now, you're probably wondering, Jack, I like your website, but I like certain things, correct? I like this, I like that. Everybody has his preference. So then you go to sections, and then you see you can add a grid, you can most used, headers, footers, videos. Who asks videos? Somebody asks videos. Okay, so let's see what we have for videos. And here we have predefined layout for videos. So let's say I like this video with an image. Okay, And now let me add that video. Okay, and now you click on the video and you can enter the URL. So next time I will show you how to use those niche videos. Okay, you can change the image, okay, and the background. Makes sense? So I don't want to go in too much details, but you guys, some of you guys have always, I want this, I want so, and then you have those predefined sections, and they will all, it's kind of a library of elements, of sections and of modules where you yes, you can use the video embed code, you can do all kind of things. But I'm not going to explain everything in one training because most of you guys don't use it. And these a video PDF. I'm not sure what. Oh, the videos is a PDF format. Oh, okay, yeah, thanks. So let me go that to my site. Start, and then this video management. Guys, see this? So if you click on download, and then the videos from those niche videos are actually in the Gateway, where we have the hosting and also the video manager. And the Gateway is really linked with Rapify. Rapify is kind of the builder, and the Gateway is kind of the hosting and all kind of advanced features, but also the videos. So you see videos, okay? Then you can create those videos. You guys want to see this in live? How to edit those videos? We can do that. So let me do that. So let me do a demo for the videos. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed, but I just want to see that there's so much what you can do if you see if this works. Now, inside the Gateway, you see on the top menu, video. Okay? And then you have access to the video libraries. Now, first, I want to show you a very cool feature. Actually, I use it today. Can somebody provide me a YouTube video which you kind of own and want to use it for client website, but you don't want to show the YouTube crap and the YouTube ads and all those kind of upsells which YouTube do? And of course, understandable, Google wants to make money. Can you give me a YouTube URL? Somebody can give me a YouTube URL. Just, not an hour training, but a 2-3 minutes training. So it's kind of, I can show it during this training. And anybody has a YouTube URL? Okay, so in the meantime, I will do the video library. So in the video yeah, just please post a link if you can, and I will try to grab it. So let's say you want to, yeah, there are 20 pages with all of videos. Let's say I want to do the dentist video, since we are working on a dentist website. Okay, get ready for this because that is really cool. That is really cool what you're going to see now. Okay, 1 second, dentist. 1 second, it's still searching. Let me do that. So, dentist, and you can preview the video. So you click on this preview. Okay, and then you say, yeah, I like it. Okay,
Don't make the mistake of choosing the wrong dentist. Choose a dentist.
Okay, yes. And you watch the video, and then you say, I'm going to use the video. Going to use the video, and now it goes from the library to my videos. Okay, of course, you want to make some changes, but it's now in your possession. And you want to make some change. So edit it, go to action, edit the video. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to copy this. Okay, I got it. I think. Yes, I got it. Thank you. So each video you want to start off with an image to your like, correct? Each video you want to start with an image to your like. So you play the video. Okay, and kind of you say, I like this as starting image. Okay, I like this as starting image. You guys want this as starting image? So then I say to the API gateway, to this video model, use this as starting image. Okay, I can also upload my own starting image, but I can also create it from the video. Cool, correct? And then I play the video, and then let's, I'm kind of impatient, I know. Okay, let's say I want to use this as end image, capture end image. But you can also use this, upload your own end image, so capture end image. And now I say create my video for my client and click on submit. And it takes a couple of minutes to create this video. Okay, it's in process. But once it is a process, you can share the code, and there's tons of ways to use that video. You can easily use it in Duplicate, Rapify. You can use it on your HTML website. You can use it in WordPress. You can get the link. It's everywhere. You can use it. I will show it in a second. Okay, you can here. Okay, you can here download the WordPress plugin to use on your WordPress website very easily. Now, in the meantime, this is processing. I want to show you one other cool feature. Actually, I use it today a couple of times. Okay, my client don't like the YouTube crap, and if you have a professional business, you don't want to show that YouTube crap. You will just only want to show the video. Does that make sense? So many of the videos are on YouTube. So you upload YouTube video, okay, and let's say video from, what was that? Zol. Okay, Zol. And now I enter the video link from YouTube and I click on upload. And now starts the magic. That video from YouTube get inserted in the gateway on the background. Takes a couple of minutes. Okay, everything takes a couple of minutes. Okay, and then you can change it to your like. Okay, makes sense? So once it's ready, it will show up here. In the meantime, remember this dentist video was processing, but no success. So we go further with that. You can preview it. Okay, 1 second. Let's do the share. Okay, so in a share, you get the URL, you get the embed code. So if you want to put it on an HTML website, or you can download the plugin and you get a shortcode to show on the website. Also, those videos, they're showing up inside Rapify. So you can use that video easily on any place on your Rapify website. Now, how that works, where is Rapify Quick Start? No, where's the video? This is the video. Here it outlines all the steps to show the video on your website. Make sense? Let me refresh this. Okay, remember, dit was a video from Zol. Now that video from Zol is imported in the Gateway video, that YouTube video. So you have to add it a little bit. You cannot use the same video. Add it a little bit. And then you can say, I want this used as my starting image. This is not a bad thing. Capture starting image. And then let's play it a little bit. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Okay, now I can capture the end image, and I create the video for it. So now you can put that YouTube video inside the Gateway. Makes sense? And if you have a training portal, whatever you have, if you don't want the YouTube crap, you can just upload that video, but you have already uploaded on YouTube. You enter the URL and you put it inside Duplicate video, and then you get the share URL and the same thing. Okay, you get the URL, you get the embed code, you can click here and you can easily use it inside Rapify as well. So actually, I use both a lot. I love it. I needed it for myself, for my own clients, and for my own training portals, and I'm using it every day. That's really true. So you probably haven't seen this in detail yet, and I wanted to do a special webinar for it, and I will come back to it. But this is really amazing. Okay? And there's all kind of statistics which you can follow, and statistic you can follow. You can do a moving GIF image, and we'll go over that next time, that the image is moving, so they are more likely to click on it, and so on. So you can download the WordPress plugin. Okay, you can grab the embed code, you can just grab the link, and it's easy to use in Rapify. There's so many opportunities. Now, the one thing you want to remember is, if you don't like the YouTube crap, and no business like the YouTube crap, okay, they want to show a professional video, okay, on their website. On the website, now I understand YouTube SEO works really great, okay. I get also business from YouTube, okay, but for a business, on the website, they don't want to show the YouTube crap, okay. They don't want to see all those ads and all those things, okay. Make sense? And we make it very easy. So if the client has YouTube video, you just enter the URL. Or you have a training website with all this YouTube video, you enter the YouTube URL, and you don't need to download it and upload it by yourself. It does it all for you. Make sense? Okay. So, any other questions? Can we use this for review and reputation videos? Yes. Any video. They get hosted on Amazon S3. So for fast loading and all kind of stuff. You can do some small editing. Actually, I didn't show that. Does Duplicator come with Rapify? No, But Rapify video, the 20x, the plus, if you have what is the plan name again? 1 second. When you go to plans and you see the plus, Rapify video management, okay? This is the plan. If you want video, go to plus for your plan. And then it comes in the plus package. Make sense? So now let's say you want there's actually more than this, of course. Okay, you can do text on the video. Let's say you want text on the video, so contact us today. Okay, text color, you said black. Okay, transparent color deep, and I don't like deep pink. Okay, dark green, and static right at the top. Right at the top. Okay, so now you at the right at the top you can add text or whatever. You can put a phone number. That's actually much better. Call 561 555 1234 today. Okay, now black and dark green doesn't work either, so it needs to be in light color. Do we have white? White. Okay, so submit. Okay, now the video actually get created again. Okay, the video get created again, and with that the video get created again, and with that it will show that phone number built in that video. So now once it's ready with processing, the phone number is embedded in the video. Huh? And let's say you like the dentist website and you clone it, and then you can just use the same video with another phone number. Huh? Once it's ready, you like the website, but you want to use it for another client or other lead generation, you just clone the video and you put another phone number on it. It needs some processing time, but once it's ready, you can just share the code and do the same thing. So you can do some basic editing with the videos. Now the whole idea is you don't want to show the YouTube crap. You want to show professional videos on your client website. You have access to video library. Whatever client you have, is very likely that there's a video for it, a professional video, not something like a Fiverr video for $5. And so you have that, and they are hosted on Amazon S3. Make sense? Does the video feature come with my WP Gateway hosting? No, it does. It is an extra. So when we log in WP Gateway and click on video, it will show if you have access or not access. It will show it by itself. If you don't have access, it will show that. Okay. When they buy Rapify Plus, they get limited access to WP Gateway. Yes, yes. So when you go to plans and you grab the plus, you get a WP Gateway login, and you have access to video, and you can just have access to the library, and you can upload. You can also upload your own video. Okay, you can upload your own video, and you see here, upload no video. So if you can upload your own video and edit your video, and so you don't want them hosted on YouTube, and show the nice professional video. Make sense? Oh, the dentist video is now done. So I want to show it to you. Preview. You see here? Call 56155 today. Can I see this? So on this show. Okay, you can choose all the font or whatever. Okay. So call to action. Okay, this is not a bad idea, correct? If you want to have something, if your video has a goal and email, call, contact us, those are all good contact call to actions. Make sense? So WP Gateway is not linked to local team jack, it's different. Local team jack is easily used. You can use local team jack easily in WP Gateway. So we make it all easy. WP Gateway is linked to local team jack. WP Gateway is linked to Rapify. It's all easy made for you. Okay, so basically, if you have Rapify, you also want WP Gateway. It's all linked to you. It's for the hosting, for the videos, for the SSL, and much more. Everyone see this? So, with that said, I think we covered a lot today. Actually, much more than I had talked about it. Okay, so let's. I don't want to show that login. And now I did. I have to change the login. Anyway, so we covered today the block. Everyone understand? Remember what the block is? So we have pages, block, module, fixed section. We covered the manuals. We covered the menu. Covered the manuals and the replays. So for the replays, don't forget they are on jackholm.com. Go to webinar. You see here how the latest video, and they only stay at max a week. Okay, if you want to see previous training, you go to jackholm.com and then you subscribe to my channel. Okay, and then you see all my training videos. You subscribe to it and you like them, and then you get notified when there's a new one uploaded. And with that, I really thank you guys for your time. And next Tuesday, there is another training, 8 p.m. EST. Thank you so much.